seriously, keep watching, because I have like a little speaking bit, like now and after this, and then there's something really funny that you have to watch because I put the effort in to make it. Hey guys, okay, so basically my hair isn't actually that poofy, it's just like I've got a big woolly scarf on, so it's gonna kind of fall over and look a bit retarded, but whatevs, we can live with it, because it means I'm warm, so you know, whatevers.
Right now.